Hello, this is a quick video tutorial to help you deal with digital documents without using a printer or a scanner. A lot of times when you're teleworking, you have documents that you need to sign, and it's very difficult if you don't have a printer or a scanner. So I'm going to show you some tips and tricks on how to sign documents digitally. Now, there are two types of documents that we see most often that require a signature, and those are Microsoft Word documents and those Adobe PDF documents. So let me first pull up a Word document that, let's say I need to sign this document. So I need to place a signature at the bottom. Of course, Word does not let you do that. So what you want to do is to convert this document into a PDF. And it's very simple to do that. I think a lot of you already know how to do that, but you just do a file, save a copy, or you can even go right here, save as Adobe PDF. It's just a function that's already available to you. So just click save as a PDF. You're going to get that little box that pops up that says, okay, you want to save it. Pick a spot on your computer. I want to put it right there on my desktop, and I'm just going to hit save. And now, if I look at my desktop, I am going to see a digital version of that Word document. Now, if I needed to go ahead and sign this, down at the bottom, I do have the little icon here, the signature icon. It looks like a little fountain pen. Just give that a click. And then when you do that the very first time, it's going to ask you to set up your signature. Pick the font that you like the best. I always pick a font, and then I also have one for initials because there's documents that you have to initial. So I have a signature here and an initial. So whichever one I want to pick, I just grab it. You've got the hand, I grab it, stick it down at the bottom, and there I've signed this document. Let's just say, hey, that's a teeny tiny signature. I need it to be a wee bit bigger. You've got this blue square that goes around it. Just grab that little dot and just increase it so you can be like John Hancock and have a very huge signature. There you go. So that's how you can sign a Word document. So convert it first into a PDF document and then use the signature function to go ahead and sign that document. So let's go ahead and look at a PDF document. Close this off, minimize this. Well, how about this one right here? So here I have a PDF document, and let's just say I want to sign it and I'm having trouble. If it's a PDF, it's really easy. You just do exactly the same thing as you did with the Word document. So click the little fountain pen, pick your signature or initials, and then stick it wherever you want to stick it on the document. So you can increase, again, the size of it, increase or decrease. I think you can also use this, but it's just easier to do it with the little dot. If you find that you cannot make any changes to your document, like it's a secure document, you need to sign it, but it won't let you sign the document, there is a little trick that you can do. And what you will do is do a Microsoft print to PDF. So let's pretend this document, it won't let me sign it. I'm trying to sign it. It's not working. So I'm going to go up here to File, and I'm going to hit Print. You can also use this little print icon here. It's going to bring up this same dialog box. Usually up at the top here you have a printer picked out because we usually actually print it. So this is a digital print. So pick Microsoft Print to PDF, this one right here, Microsoft Print to PDF, and hit Print. Now it's going to act like it's printing it to a printer, but now it's going to say, well, how do you want to save it? So again, I'm going to put it on my desktop. I'm going to choose my desktop, and I'm calling this the printout of the absence form. All right, so there it goes. And now if I look on my desktop, I am going to have a file called printout to desktop, or printout of absence form. There it is. Here, let me go ahead and open that, and there it is. So now that you have it printed out, you can do things like sign it that you couldn't do before. Let me pull my mouse up here. There we go. You can sign it. You can even make changes to the document itself. So if you hit Edit PDF, and I'm using Adobe Pro. So if you don't, I think most SHD folks have Adobe Pro. If you don't, just contact your PJ or your manager, and they can help you get Adobe Pro. But let's just say the dates are wrong here, and I just need to update it to the 24th. I'm going on a much longer vacation than what I originally planned, and then make any of the changes to this stuff down here. You can do that. So that is a little trick. So if you can't manipulate a document, you can't sign it, can't change anything, just do that Microsoft Print to PDF, and that will give you a copy of the document that you can sign, or you can edit. So let me go ahead and sign this. I'm going to go down to this icon that says fill and sign. It's going to give me that little pen up there, sign yourself. I'm going to grab my signature and stick it down here at the bottom. It's way too big. I can change it. Let me scoot this up a little bit so I can see the bottom of the thing. Or I can just use this. There you go. If you can't see the dot, then just use the small or big right here. If you made a mistake, you don't want your signature on it, you can just hit the trash can. And I think that is it regarding the signing digitally. What else did I want to show you? What to do in PDF. Okay, so now you know how to sign a document, whether it's a Word document that you convert to PDF or something that's already a PDF. Just when you're done, do a save as, and then you can email that document or upload it to wherever you need to upload it to. If you can't manipulate a PDF, just do that Microsoft Print to PDF, and that will help you. And then I'm going to be doing a video for those times where you absolutely need to scan a document that you have so that you can send it to somebody digitally. Most SHD staff have, not staff, excuse me, most SHD ALJs have an iPhone that was provided by State Hearings. So there is an app on there that I can show you how to use if you really, really, really need to scan a document. Thanks for watching this video, and I will see you in our next video.